This is a 2013 Mazda Speed 3. It has a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, a sport suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
5-Star Ford Louisville is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1144 North Stemmons Freeway in Louisville.